Zaid from India.
Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Alaikum Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam wa
Sheikh,
rahmatullah.
my question is that we know that every Muslim will enter Jannah, but what about those who sin publicly? Because Prophet said every one of my ummah will be forgiven except Mujahiroon.
The hadith of Al-Mujahiroon, which you've just quoted, does not say that they will not enter Jannah. It says that all of my ummah will be forgiven except those who commit sins and go publicly or expose their own sins that Allah has concealed. It doesn't say that they will not enter Jannah. It says that they will not be forgiven, meaning they will roast in hellfire for a few 1,000 years or so until they're purified from their sins, and afterwards Allah Azza wa Jal will admit them to Jannah. May Allah protect us.